Hard copy document management. At the end of the topic, participant will be able to understand hard copy document management, that is issue, receipt, distribution, storage and superseding. Filing system. Many companies are still using legacy paper documentation system and slowly adopting soft copy documentation, as hard copy documentation is still considered to be legal documentation as record as per the laws in many countries. There are paper-based manual system and paper sizes are A5, A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. When we discuss about filing system, which is mostly for paper-based records and done manually, paper sizes which differs from A0 to A5 are filed manually in the required size cabinet. Hard copy storage system. These are the basically three types of hard copy storage system used for filing, like rotary, vertical and horizontal storage system as shown in this slide, and are used in most of the offices for filing small to big sizes documents. Hard copy storage materials. Since there are different types of documents in sizes, so there are different types of storage materials like folder, document wallets, ring binders and lever arc files for holding the records before they go into a proper cabinets for filing. Classification system and indexes. Before the documents are filed, they are classified into different categories, and to do this, the sorting method is used for our numerical, alphabetical and chronological way, so that the records what you are filing can be easily searched in future and save time. Document filing. These are the best practices used in document filing. Only original wet signature documents to be filed. The documents which are recognized by originally signed are called wet signature. Approved document copy or original should be filed. Not making much confusion in the filing system, only approved or original should be filed. Only record copy will be filed. Many transactions take places for a single document. So initially when you receive documents, you should put stamp or remark as record copy. That means in future same document is received, you can avoid filing them in your current filing system. Duplicate copy will not be filed. Employees working together, they keep duplicating the documents when they receive for their convenience, and at the last phase of project they try to file them with the original already filed, which creates a big confusion between what are received and what is being used in design work. So to avoid such problems, we should avoid filing of duplicate copies. Multiple page documents are checked for total number of sheets before filing. The booklets and the document which have come for filing should be checked for its pages in it. Sometimes the pages are missing by the time they come to you for filings, and just imagine an important agreement with few pages missing is filed and later discovered when used for some legal issues. You can just imagine your situation what you will be. Non-legible documents will be returned to sender. The documents which are not readable and not clear should not be filed. You should return those to sender and ask for the clear copies. File the latest revision of documents in appropriate file. For easy retrieval and correct information, the latest revision of documents shall be filed in appropriate file, because the misfiling and old revisions in the files will lead to big worries in the working area. Supersede old revision with stamp. Whenever a document comes older and is replaced by new version or revisions, the older document should be stamped for superseded, which will enable employees to refer the correct revision at the time of their design work. File supersede document separately. For better result, it is always advisable to file the superseded documents separately, so that all current revisions or ongoing revisions are at one place and will not get mixed up with the older revision and employees will not refer the older revision and create blunder in their work. Confidential documents are filed separately with authorized access. Very important aspect. Whenever we talk about confidentiality, there are few documents related to commercial design of historical places, etc., which need a special attention. I mean protection from getting access to unauthorized people. So they need to be filed separately and only given access with a proper authorization. Document will be filed as per document type. Just to categorize all documents, they are filed as per their type. This is called classification of document, and it helps you to retrieve them fast whenever you need them. Paper clips to be removed and staple the document as per size. Sometimes these mistakes are done, that when we file the document, they are filed with paper clips, which comes out when you quite often remove the documents from the files, and happens that they are lost with other papers. So to avoid this, you should remove the paper clips and put staple to set of documents before filing them. Pre-sort paper document as per project department and document type. This is generally done before we start filing work. It is very essential to take all your pending filing works on one big table and sort them first before reaching to final stage of filing them to the folder and then push them into the cabinets. Repair any torn documents with transparent magic tape. If you find any of the documents which are torn, try to repair them by using magic tapes, which will save documents in its long time use. Or if you don't do this, the document might get damaged and useless. Punch paper in the middle of documents. In hurry, most of the people don't use the standard mark on the punching machine to punch holes on the documents, and the result is the whole folder of paper get misaligned, and as the results there is a damage to everything what you have filed. How to retrieve a document? Locate the cabinet and remove the file dockets. Most of the time what happens, a document controller with high confidence enters into the big record room without having a tracking record of filing cabinets in his hand, and this becomes a waste of time. So it is very important to first locate the cabinet number, rack and its location in record room before entering to search. Remove the document and double check proper number. After getting the cabinet, you take out the document, correct, but check twice whether you removed the correct one or not. This will save a lot of time in retrieval. Replace the folder in exactly the right place in the cabinet. Good thing to do, replace the document from you take them out, because if it goes wrong in place, nobody will get them back again. Misfiling of documents are most of the time it is considered as loss of document.